Hello friends, so in this video we will create a a Power BI dashboard where we will create India in Asian Games. So what India has performed throughout the Asian game. So we have taken all the details in this dashboard. So like whatever the total number of golds India have won so far, number of silvers we have won, number of bronze we have won, and whatever the total number of medals we have won. So we have taken, and how is the performance of gold. Like if you will see this chart, like first of all chart is our this gold medal chart. If you will go with this chart, so this year we have got 28 golds, last year 16. So how our graph is going, it is showing that we are on the increasing side here. Similarly, if we will go to the silver medal, we have also got 38 medals in silver also there, and in bronze also we have got a lot of bronze this year. So we are in a trending, like we are increasing year by year. Similarly, if you will go to the venues and see like venue wise what is our performance, like here in 1994. So if you will keep it in like in 224 we got 4th rank, in Jakarta we are on 8th. So our ranking is also increasing in this also, and our gold medals are also increasing. It is showing that. Beside that, like if you will go to the year wise reports, so what is our year wise performance here. So you can see like how our trend is increasing. Like in 2022 we have got 107, then 107 medals, then 68, 57. So we keep on rising. So this table shows like we keep on rising. So there is a big rise of medals in this year also. Now next year, what we want to know, like how we are increasing here also, like how is our table. So we are always increasing, there is no decrease in medals. So it shows that also, like from 13 medals in the year 1958, so we keep on increasing, 33, 35. So every year our medals are increasing from 70 to 107. This is the biggest increase, like we have earned more than 37 medals from the last year. So that is the increase in the medals here. Next, if we will go to the next report, like if we will like the country wise, like where are the venues we have won most of the medals. Like in China we have won most of the medals, because most of the time I think China is the place where venues is taken. Here is the venue place, like what will be our ranking. Like in 2002 in Hangzhou we are in the 4th position, Jakarta we are on the 8th. So it is showing all the detail. So how to create this report in Power BI? It's a very simple. I haven't used any DAX formula in it. And here we have like this year wise. If I will click on this here, it will show the year wise report also. So we have used a filter here also. So whichever year we want to see, we can see that. So simple report we can create it. So let's see how we can create that. So to create that, what we need to do, we have to open up a Power BI screen here. So I will file, and then I will go to new. From here I will click on the new. So it will open up a new Power BI window. So it will take few seconds, then we will start it. So now friends, we are on a Power BI screen. So first of all, what we need to do, I will go to the Google here. From here I will type Google and enter. So when I type Google, here I will type India as Asian Games. So I will type here India at Asian Games. So we have a site here in the Wikipedia. So I will just copy its link. So I will just take it linked HTTPS. Just copy it, Control C. Then I will go to my Power BI, get data, and from get data I will go to web. And after going to web, so it will take few seconds, and then I will type the URL and press OK. So it will take some time, like 5-10 seconds, and it will create and find out the tables from our database. Like whatever data is there, it will find out some tables from there, and we have to select which table suits us and which type of chart. So we are making a very easy report. Anyone can make this report. Like even if you like to make this report from scratch. If you are a beginner in Power BI and looking forward to start and create a report on Asian Games, what India has done so far in Asian Games, so it will help you out in that. So there are two tables in that which are very useful, but we are only using the one table here. You can even use the second one. If I will click over this, this is not for our use. If I will click on this, is for our use. Like we have a sports wise detail, whatever our rank and sports wise. And if I will click over this, it will give us name and host, nation, rank, everything. So now I will go to transform. So after going to transform, it will open up the Power Query here. So more of our work is in a Power Query. Otherwise, I haven't used any DAX and anything. I will just simple report here. Now, like we have sports, rank, gold, silver. They all are in numerical order. It's okay. So we don't need to change them. It's okay. If I will go to the another table which is edited name, and here like if you have a column, but we have a column here, so I will click over here, just here, and now I will go use first row as column because we need this as our header. So I will click use first row as header. Now game, host name, rank, gold, silver, everything is our heading now. But these things are in numbers, so I like to change them. So first of all, I like to change them into whole number because golds are numbers, so I will replace them first. Then I will go to silver and then I will replace them to whole number. Replace. Then I will go to bronze and then also replace them into whole number. Replace, and similarly I will replace our total medals, whatever total medals we have won so far, I will change them to replace. One thing is also there, like if you will go downward, so we have some null values like the coming game, future game. So I want to remove them also because I don't need at the moment them, like total. So 1, 2, 3, 4 columns from my bottom I want to remove. So 4 rows. So to remove the 4 rows, I will go there. Then I will give here remove bottom rows, and this time I will type 4 and press OK. So we need data till 2022 only. So we have data till 2000 and now we have 0 errors. So like this is our table and we have games like whenever, but here what we are finding it, like we have years also and like venue also in the same. So we want to transform that. So for that I will go to transform and then I will go to split, and from by delimiter I will just space wise I will just change them. Now what is there is like we have a years here now. So I will just take it name, change its name to years. And in games like we have, I also transform this also, but I want this New Delhi because only the New Delhi is the item which is not complete. So I will click here, replace value, and in place of new I will type New Delhi and just press OK. So now we have a New Delhi here, and I have to remove this column also because I don't need this. This is removed. But still game, this is also not required. Jakarta is okay, no need to use another thing here. So I will just remove this also. But still there is number like 13, 14, so I want to remove this also. So I will go to transform, split column again. So the by delimiter automatically found out like this is the delimiter from where we can delimit it. So it changed it like this. Now I have this and I will remove this also. So now my data is more clearing now. So like if we have 0, 0, 0, everywhere we have a 0 here, and this is our total and everything. And why I want to keep this years into text only, I think that's okay because we don't need to calculate them, we just need which year we have, make whatever number of. So this way we have cleared this. So I am only using this table only and close and apply. So now my table is more clear so that we can make a basic charts and find out what is the information in this chart. So it will take few seconds, and actually this is old laptop, it is quite slow, but it doesn't matter. If you have a new laptop, it will not take much time and you will able to load them very fast. So now, like my table medal by tele edit is the name. I also want to change the name also here, medal by games. We are only focusing on this time on medal by game. You can even make chart on medal by sports also. So medal by games, I will click edit, I will just double click it. I want to just double click over this and change its name, because it's a very edit is also there. So I will just go there and remove the edit and enter. So now my name is medal by games. So this name is okay. Now we will create some decks first of all. First of all some cards. So I will take this card here, put it down, and here I will take golds. So it will automatically get what is the total number of golds we have got in the Asian Games. So this is 183. So if we will compare it with our data, so we have 183, so it's okay. So we can check it from there also. Control C, Control V, we put it here, and this time I will take silvers. So what is 238 silvers, then I will Control V, and here I will put here bronze. So India is going in numbers here, but it is the total number of medals we have got in gold, silver and bronze. And I will just keep it down here and Control C and Control V. And here what I will like to take is your total. What is the total number of medals we have got? So 779 is the total number of medals we have got so far, where we have gold, silver and all the things. Next is like editing we will do afterward, but before we will create some basic charts here. Next I will take this chart like this either cluster column chart and put it here, and in this chart what I will take, like in this what I have taken here is I will just remove the like I have made this chart, and if I will go over is, so if I will put it down and just remove it. So what we have taken in this chart is your total gold medal. So first of all we will take gold, then we will take silver, then we will take bronze. So this way we have taken all the details here, and now I will take all the details here also like this in my new. So first of all is our years and gold. So I will take years wise, and then here I will take golds. So we have a chart here, we have a years and gold. So I do not do any change, but copy this, put it here, but my size is not so big, so I will just want to increase the size. I click anywhere outside, go here and canvas setting, increase it to somewhere around 1500, and I will keep it to 2000. I think that much is enough for my 3 charts here. Okay, I think instead of that what I will do, I will click over here, again go there, canvas setting, and just increase its size also, right, and then canvas setting, I will take it to 1000 only. Let's check if 1000 is okay here. 1000. So we don't using many chart, we are just making them. I think 1000 again, 1000, 2000, so we can have all the charts here. So now that's our 2 charts here. Beside that, okay, I will just click over it and clears. Now we have 2 charts. Last chart is, this one is for your gold, this is for your silver, and then Control C, Control V, and this one is our for bronze. So medals, whatever medals we have won so far, So we have detail of that, and I will also create a filter here. So I will click over this filter, I will go outside, click over filter, put it here, and in this filter what I will do, I will put my ears here, and then I will go to this format visuals. So it is a very simple chart we are creating, we are not using an inside, and now we have year wise detail here. So if we will create on any years, we will got the information of that particular year, like whatever medals we have won in that. So medal wise we have information here for year wise here. Next thing is, like if we will see that what we have taken is venue wise. So venue and ranking, so we have a different venues here and what ranking we have made. So I will take a here I will take a matrix here and put it down, and in this matrix what I will take here is rank, and the second thing what I will take rank here, and the second thing is your venue. So venue will be I think I haven't changed the name of the menu here. Gold, silver, year, medal, sports, host nation is there, but venue is not showing here. I think I will just check it what is the name there. I haven't checked the game 2.2. So I will have to check the name of its to venue. I will just take it to venue, or double click over this. It's not changing. Okay, it changes now. So I will go to venue now, and from here in column I will take venue. So let's see whether it's working or not. No, I will go to table and just check it out. So now we have a venue wise detail, like what will be our ranking as per the venue, and I also put the date, years also. So now it's more clear. Like year wise, if you will put a filter here, right? So like we are the 4th rank in 2022, 8th rank. So big ranking here. So we are getting a good rank here. So India's in Asian game is doing well. Next thing is, like if I want to check it according to the medal in Asian game year wise in a chart, where is a graph chart here. So how we can make that? So for that I will go there, I will take this line chart here. So I will click over this outside and take a line chart, and then I will put it here, this line chart, increase the size, and this time what I will take is our years, and the next thing is our total. So I will take the total medals, whatever total medals we have here. So this will show us some details here, how our medals are increasing, like this year Bangkok, sorry not venues, years, sorry, we have taken years here. Now it will show us like how our medals are increasing here, 107 this year, 70 last year. So it will give us a very good idea about it. And if you want to create another chart like this, which is our waterfall chart, so it will show whether we are increasing or is there any decrease in medals ever. So if you will keep it up, and in category I will take years, and we will check like what we have taken there. So if I will go to this chart, so we have in category we have taken years, and y-axis we have taken sum of totals. So similarly we will take here, and in y-axis sum of totals, like we will take the totals here. So we have a total here in y-axis. So this chart is also clear, and here we have making all other charts also, like this chart, which is our like in different places, like if we have in China, we are in other states, and what we perform, we can make that also. But this is okay, like the size is not there, but we will make it. Now the next thing is editing. So how we can edit this chart? So I will click over this, then I will go there, and in the call out values, I think it's okay, it's 45, but in the call out I will just make it bold and make it a little bit bigger. I will keep it 32. Instead of 32 I will keep it 22, so it's more clear to see. Then I will give it some color, effects, and I like to give it a color blue. And then I will go to the visuals and make it white, and similarly I will go to call out value and make it white. So now we have two values here, and then I format paint and click over this. Similarly it will be changed, and similarly it will be changed. So now we have more information about our report, and I will just increase the size, go there and increase the size. Here I will click over this report, and slicer values I will just make it bold and make it also 32. So it is a little bit, we have to just increase the size. So now 32 is, I think, is bigger. I will put it 22. Now it's okay. So now you can see that like year wise we can also see like which year we have make whatever. If I will click over this, so we can find out like 15 gold medal in 1951, then 21 is the total, but our total medal sometime increase but sometime decrease here, but it shows our all the information, what is our total medal, like what we are getting in different Asian games. So if I will click clear this, so we have all the report here, and here whatever how we are increasing year wise, it will show us year wise sum of total like 13, 14, whatever is there. So it is showing us information, and like there are some, they are not in a sequence, that's why it is only showing the increasing order only. But like in 58 it has taken as per the increasing order, like in 2022 we increased, 2018, 2010, but before in 2014 we haven't, like there will be some other years also, like 2014 we got less. So it is only showing, it is showing the increasing order of our medals. So this is the report we have. Now we can do more formatting, like if I will click over this and go there, and in columns it's okay, grid lines is okay, but I want to give it some color also. Journal, effects, background color I will take this, I think it will go good. And in journal I will just increase its size also. Like data label, I will also like to put the data label here, and in data label I want to put it somewhere around 22 is bigger than, I will took it 80 and just bold it, so we can know what is the sale, the 28 is the gold and whatever. And other thing what I can do here is like x-axis we can increase that also. I will increase this to 18, I think 18 is bigger, so I will put it for 15 and bold it, and then bold it also, I will put it 15 and bold it. So this will like make our chart more readable and enjoyable. So I will put it 15 here also and bold it, so everyone can see this chart and find it more understandable. So this is here, I will format it and go there. So it is format this also, I will click over this, format this again, click over this, format this again, and I can think we have to increase the value size here also. I will put it 22 here, so that is okay. So ranking wise, year wise, so it will show more proper way how this chart will look. Here format, change over this chart also. So this is also change, then I will click over this and change over this. Click and this. So now we have different charts where we are showing different way of looking at the things, I will just, here we have rank wise, venue wise, and all the things is there. And now I can also create one more, is like we can add the heading in our chart first. So put the heading here. I will go to this insert, and from this text box I will type, where is the text box? It's not showing. Okay, here is the text box, and here I will just increase the size to somewhere around 60 and write, type in capital India, sorry it is small again, I will just increase this to 60 and type India at Asian Games, and just increase this. And now if you would like to give some color, you can give it. Background color I will give blue, and then I will select over this, and from here I will take white. So this is the report here we have. And now if I want to give some other things here, so I will go to view, and there are different styles. If I will go to click over this, so it will change the style also, like whatever style you would like to change, so that will also help you out. And beside that, if you want to take the map of India, so I will go to insert, sorry not map, like flag of India images. So I have already downloaded, you can also download them in raw data. I have already downloaded Indian flag, so you can put it the Indian flag here somewhere, and I will just put it here, make it a little bit smaller, India at Asian Game. So we have a flag here, and if you want more like your images, I will go to images, and in victory we have this medals here, and I will put it here also in just beneath this our flag. So what is our medals, we have score and whatever, so we are able to create this. Just delete this, we don't need this, remove. So this is the way we can create a simple India at Asian Game report. So it will give the information about all the, like if I will click over this, it will give out about particular year. If I will clear this, it will clear this, and you can add more things in that. It is just basically for fundamental idea how we can make it. Thank you very much for watching this video.